A remote island, silent for ages, saw its peace shattered when a research vessel anchored near its reef. A team of explorers and scientists arrived, eager to study the island's rare animals and its intelligent gorillas. From the first helicopter pass, the jungle sensed an intrusion. Drones hummed, and cameras blinked. The gorillas scattered, but one, the jungle man's mother, beat her chest, a silent warning of awareness. Soon, the researchers noticed strange things. Tools vanished, camps were mysteriously rearranged, and barefoot footprints appeared where no human should be. Motion sensors captured fleeting, upright silhouettes, fast and deliberate, prompting debates. Was it an undiscovered primate or something more? The jungle man watched them, learning their patterns, their weaknesses, and the noise they made. One day, a young researcher strayed and fell into a ravine during a sudden storm. From the shadows, the jungle man helped her, guiding the terrified human to safety with vines, then vanishing. The rescue, only recorded in fragments, caused panic and wonder. The island was no longer just a research site, it was a revelation. As news spread, the expedition changed. Reinforcements arrived. Tranquilizers replaced notebooks, and gorillas became subjects. When a silverback was injured during a forced tagging, the jungle man responded with calculated defense. Traps were dismantled, supply lines sabotaged, and night became hostile. Finally, the researchers saw him clearly, a man moving with the jungle's rhythm, standing protectively before the massive gorilla who raised him. It was undeniable. This was no feral creature, but a guardian. When armed men came too close, the jungle answered. Vines fell, paths collapsed, and the mother gorilla charged to drive them back. Her son ensured no human crossed the line again. A senior researcher, realizing the ethical catastrophe, broadcasted a warning to the world before communications were cut. The battered expedition was forced to retreat, carrying proof that humanity was not alone on the island. As the final helicopter lifted away, the jungle man stood beside his mother at the cliff's edge. They watched the sea reclaim its silence. The world now knows he exists, and that knowledge will not stay contained.